Welcome to today's news. Himachal Pradesh Schools Recruitment 2025. 2,982 vacancy for teachers and ministerial staff. A total of 2,982 posts for teachers and ministerial staff are vacant in government senior secondary schools, high schools, middle and primary schools in Himachal Pradesh. A total of 1,095 posts of trained graduate teachers TGT in arts, non-medical and medical streams have been filled, and notification to the post of TGTs in the stream. TGT vacancy is 1,485 posts as per recruitment and promotion rules have been issued. It is also mentioned that out of 1,023 posts of assistant librarian, 771 vacant posts have been converted to junior office assistant JOA library, and the remaining 252 posts of assistant librarians have been declared as dying cadre.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.